Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the delay in videos. If you guys don't know, my dad is currently in hospice at home. Something happened last week. I'm not going to talk much about it, but there was a lacking content for a week. So I do apologize. But let's get straight into this whatnot unboxing. This is from Godzilla39. I did purchase some Hot Wheels from him before, so let's get straight into this unboxing. So first off, we have this Toyota Land Cruiser right here. Very beautiful. We got a Zamac Corvette C72Z06. Then we got a 2016 BMW M2. I don't have that neon speeder at all. Then I got this for my girlfriend, because we play on PlayStation, and her name is Clover. And very beautiful car right here as well. I don't know what this is. Oh, never mind. It says on the side right there, a Dodge Viper. Oh man, wake up, wake up, wake up. All right, then we got another Corvette, C7Z06. Then we got last year's Father's Day card, our car right here. Another Corvette right there. I think they're going to come out with another edition of these cars this year. And last but not least, we have this Subaru WRX STI. Let me know in the comments, out of all these cars, which one is your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.